Boogie on Broadway. You will see there's flat sign and there's sharp sign as well. Just remember, flat, go to your left side neighbor. Sharp, go to your right side neighbor. Start from C position for both hands. C 5 fingers. Ready, set, go. C, go up, flat, C, hold, go up to the flat. C, left hand, G, go to the